Hi Cello, this is Aiden. With this tutorial, we're going to learn how to run a Cello full node inside a virtual machine. So full nodes are a major part of the Cello ecosystem. This tutorial will teach you how to create a virtual machine and build your own Cello node inside this machine. This is going to be a two-part series, so this first part is going to be creating the virtual machine itself. There's going to be some advantages to having your own Cello node. The first one being that the Cello team plans on implementing Cello rewards to those who run full nodes, so these skills can help you earn Cello in the future. And also you'll learn some important skills on creating a virtual machine and learn some useful commands in the Linux terminal. Alright, so let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is download Debian10 in your web browser, 64-bit. That's Debian10 again. And also download Oracle Virtual Machine, VirtualBox Manager, and then create a new virtual machine. Alright, so we're going to create our new virtual machine, and I'm going to name it full node. And we're going to make it Linux, and the version is going to be Debian10 that we just downloaded. So this will give us this version option. So next, we're going to allocate 8,000 megabytes. So the more you do, we'll make it faster. And then create a virtual hard disk. Dynamically allocated, and then make that hard disk as big as you like. Alright, now we're going to start up this virtual machine. Alright, so just select your startup disk. Alright, let's start it up. Press enter. Alright, so let's choose your language, your country. Just installing some things that I'm going to fast forward through. Let's create your host name. Call this full node. Domain name is not required. So we're going to enter our passwords. Next, add your username. And then choose a password for this user. Select your time zones. Then I'm just going to fast forward through some of this stuff. Use guided entire disk. Enter, 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 enter. Then we're going to want to write changes to disk. And then this will take a while, so I'm just going to skip through all this. Alright, so we're going to install the grub bootloader. United States. Use Debian.org. This is not required. Now it's going to start configuring. This will take a little bit as well. So right now all we have to do is wait for it to install this software. So we're not going to participate in this survey. Alright, so let's select SSH server, and then don't do any of these others. Just continue installing the software. Alright, now let's install the grub bootloader onto this machine. And select this hard disk. Alright, now we're just finishing up the installation. Alright, so your installation's complete, and your virtual machine should be ready to go. So feel free to check out the next video and learn how to set up a full node in Cello.